Kerala, where Ayurveda is a lifestyle than a healthcare, has its own monsoon Ayurveda care system for humans as well as the domestic animals and the fowls. Ayurvedic classic literatures classify the year into 6 seasons or the Ritus as Shishira, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, and Hemanta, based on the movement of the sun into the northern and southern scholastic positions, which is called as Adhanakala or the Uttarayana and the Visargakala or the Dakshinayana. Adhanakala takes away their strength, while the Visargakala imparts it to all the living creatures. During the Adhanakala, the powerful sun and the wind drain the moisture, strength, vigor, and the coolness from the earth and its creatures. The Visargakala, the milder sun, rain, clouds, and the wet wind bestow strength to the earth and its creatures. The influence of the moon's closeness to the earth calms the environment. The classical Varsha Ritu or the Shravana Bhadrapada months, approximately last week of July to the last week of September, is the beginning of Visargakala, and hence the restoration of the lost strength during the Adhanakala is recommended. Kerala has to its west the Arabian Sea and to the east Western Ghats. Hence monsoons are different in Kerala. The monsoon rains typically showers their first bout on the Kerala soils on the 1st June. They exit by the end of the September. The Varsha Ritu of Kerala is interspersed between the last 45 days of Adhanakala and the first 45 days of Visargakala. The Karkadaga Sankranti is the drawing line between the two phases, known locally as the Idavappadu. Hence, the monsoon regiments in Kerala focuses on purifying the creatures, including the humans, physically and mentally, cleaning up the homes and the environment to destroy the disease-causing germs and the disease-spreading vectors. The second half of Karkidagam, when the season settles, sun changes the direction, environment cleanses up, and the creatures are detoxified, physically and mentally. The focus shifts to the rejuvenation of the body, refreshing of the mind, and reinforcing the spirituality. The special Karkadakanyi diet, the special Ayurveda treatment, the Ramayana Parayana and other festivities enrich the period. The season that showers the elixir of life has been turned out into disease-churning murky waters due to the indiscriminate assault on nature by humankind. Ayurveda had long before documented that disrespect towards the nature and inharmonious existence with the nature results in epidemic disease outbreaks and destruction of societies and the civilizations. This has been termed as Janavadodhamsa, which literally means destruction of the civilizations. Nowadays, the immunity has been reduced to a greater extent of a larger population due to the sedentary and stressful lifestyle. So this may adversely affect the kids and the old generations. To equip the society to enjoy a healthy monsoon with due regard and respect towards nature, Ayurveda dogs out a few general tips for the preservation of health, prevention of monsoon diseases, and engulfing oneself in a protective shield of immunity against monsoon diseases, called Ayurveda Varshacharya, that is the monsoon regimen practices. The intensive heat and the dryness in the summer is changing to cool and wet rainy season, which brings many changes in the environment as well as inside the human beings. This causes an imbalance in the Tridoshas in this season and causes many diseases, predominantly Vataja Rogas, like diseases related to spine, nervous system, muscles and joints, like pain, inflammations and swellings, etc. So balancing these doshas through the elimination of the vitiated doshas, the internal medications as well as the external treatment is very important. In this season, the general stamina, that is balam or health of the body, and the digestive power gets reduced. So this is also an important cause for many diseases. So this is a favorable season to observe the palliative treatments for the health care that is the Deha Raksha. So this is done for improving the digestion, increasing the body strength and immunity enhancement. Nowadays, due to the computerization, the eyes and neck are affecting with many diseases like the disc problems, headaches, sleeplessness, etc. has wonderful results in Ayurveda. The younger generations are in the grips of lifestyle diseases and bad food habits. In those who have health issues, the suitable internal medications and the external treatments are to be made use. The suitable treatments should be selected according to the present health condition and the body compact. Generally, the diseases have increased. So, yearly ones following these treatments of rejuvenation will be beneficial. This will improve the overall efficiency and efficacy. On the go, this will improve the beauty of the body by repairing the age-related muscle weaknesses and restoring the body stamina, gets back the youth through improving the systemic hormonal secretions, thus avoiding the obesity. For a healthy person, this can be completed in 7 to 10 days and follow another 10 days of rest and gradually come back to the normal life. Get fit and set go, dashing into the rain. Savor the blessings pouring down from the skies this monsoon and the days to come.